Hi guys, do you know you can actually make money selling photos online? In this video today, I'm going to be showing you websites you can sell your photos online. It can be your personal pictures or really cool pictures you take on your smartphone. There's a saying that a picture is worth 1,000 words, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you that you can actually use that photos, thousands of pictures you have on your mobile phone, or even the ones you usually post on your social media. Probably you just get a lot of likes and it's not really fetching you any money or anything. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you websites you can sell your photos online and make real cool money with it. There's a limit to what you can make on this. There's no limit to what you can make on this, because determine the number of people downloading your pictures will determine how much you're making. If the thousands of people are downloading your pictures or are using your pictures for their own use, probably you want to use it for their website content or to market their products or to do any sort of thing that can fetch them. So they actually make pictures and they find your picture very cool and nice online. So in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to actually make money by selling your photos online. So please stay tuned to the end of this video so I can show you everything needed and the websites which you can use that to make money for yourself. Consider subscribing to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, and to my returning subscribers I say welcome back guys. Please give this video a thumbs up so as to reach out to more people, and also hit the bell icon so as to get notified anytime I drop another amazing video like this. So guys, let's dive in today's video. So the first website I'm going to be showing you is a website whereby you probably might be familiar with. So probably if you're a photographer or you are really good in taking pictures, or you actually love taking pictures and all of that, so you can actually sell your pictures on this platform which I'm going to be showing you. So the first website I'm going to be showing is called Shutterstock. So just like you can see here, they say share your work and start earning. Join Shutterstock global community of contributors and earn money doing what you love. So this is basically the pictures you take every day, probably on your mobile phone or your camera, or anytime you just have a lot of pictures on your phone. So you can actually make money with it online by selling your pictures on Shutterstock. So if you scroll down here, you can see become a contributor. So produce high quality image and videos for our customer to download. Upload your content with our easy use platform and get tips to success. So make money every time your content is downloaded by one of our worldwide customers. So this is, you don't really need to do much work on this. Your own is just to make sure that you provide quality pictures. Quality pictures, and the pictures has to look in a way probably people can really use this. So just position yourself being a model. Probably you look very nice in the picture you take, like this picture is really nice, that a lot of people can actually use it to promote their products or do any of their business online. So you don't have much work than you just uploading your pictures and use the right tag on this platform. They are going to be showing you everything you need to do. So, and your own is just to upload and you get paid for everybody that download your picture. So it is very easy like that. So you can even earn money even by referring new contributors and customers. So even if you have a lot of friends out there that does the same thing, that want to be selling their pictures online, you can simply refer them with your own referral link and you get a commission on that particular person. So this is Shutterstock. So you can always join Shutterstock today and start earning money by uploading your pictures online. As you can see here, more than $1 billion paid out over the last 15 years. We've paid out $1 billion to our worldwide community of contributors. So you want to be part of this community contributors which is using Shutterstock to make money for themselves. So as you really love taking pictures, you can actually make money with that pictures you're posting online. So kindly go ahead, I'm going to be dropping the link below this video. Go ahead and start making money online by registering yourself as a contributor on Shutterstock. Just go ahead, register your account, upload your images, make sure that the pictures is of a high quality, because with this you have a high potential of becoming a contributor here and start making money for yourself by selling your pictures online. So you can probably just go around here. It does not have to really be pictures alone, you can sell videos as well. So when you go on this platform, you can become by clicking on this join button or the sign up button up here and start making money for yourself by just uploading your pictures on this platform. So another website you can make money by selling your pictures online is called Alamy. So I'm very sure you might be familiar with Alamy. So Alamy is a very popular platform whereby you can download any sort of pictures online. So this as well, they give you opportunity to sell your work all around the world. Join now and earn up to 50% of any sale. So why should you use Alamy? Selling your image on Alamy, take a great photos or create a cool illustration, upload your image to the Alamy website and tags to describe it. So this tag is very important because you can imagine when you put a tag like a beautiful lady smiling, so that is the tag of that picture. If anybody is searching for that on Google or any of the search engine out there, so when they find your picture, they can easily pay for it, and the more people are paying for it, the more you are making money for yourself. So another one, in 24 hours your image is available for purchase by Alamy customer around the world. So Alamy already have they already have audience of people that is coming to their website every day to download pictures. So you want your pictures as well to be part of the picture that they are downloading and which they are paying for. So you too actually want to make money by selling your pictures online. So kindly go ahead and start selling your pictures online with Alamy. So the customer license the image from Alamy, they pay us and we pay you. So basically these people, when they pay them for any pictures, and they pay you back as well. So take for instance, they pay for the picture for maybe $20, so you can be having 10%, you can be having $10 out of that $20 which their customer are paying them. So that is a real way to make cool money for yourself. And the number of images if you have thousands of people downloading your images every day, the more money you are making money for yourself. So it's pretty cool to sell your pictures on Alamy. So I'm going to be dropping the link below this video, so kindly just follow. You see there are some stuff here how to sell on Alamy, so you can easily follow all these thing. You can send us anything, good percentage on a no exclusive contract. We've got dedicated system around the world, so you don't really need to do much work. Your own is to just upload a very nice picture and put a very nice caption to it, and these people are going to promote your picture and make sure that your picture sells and you too get paid for it. So it's very easier to do this. So just go to the link which I'm going to be dropping below this video and start selling your pictures on Alamy. It's very easier to do. I hope you guys can go ahead and do all of this to start making money for yourself by selling your images online. So another website which I'm going to be showing you today is called Getty Image. So you might be more familiar with Getty Image. So but if this is your first time of hearing Getty Image, so Getty Image, what it does basically is that it's a platform whereby people download pictures. So sometimes some companies or some brand come out, they need pictures to promote their products or anything they do online, and they want to use very amazing pictures for their product. So they easily come on Getty Image to download picture. They pay for the image, and the customer get the image and everything seems nice. So on this Getty Image, they have a contributor whereby people can always upload their pictures, so that if anybody come on this platform and buy their picture and buy the pictures, they're going to be giving you your own commission on that particular pictures which you upload. So if you have a lot of people downloading your picture, your cool picture online, so they'll be paying you on each download that people are making on this website. So with this, you see, we are Getty Image. Nice to meet you. At Getty Image, our mission is to move the world with images, where we help you make your creative mark and bring home any for your photos, videos and illustrations. So this is much more than pictures alone. You can also sell your videos as well. So what do you do on this platform? So there's this thing here. How do I apply? So it's simple out there. So we only accept application through the contributor by Getty Image app. So that means you've got to download this app. So just over on this, get it on Google Play Store, and even if you are using an iPhone, just click on any of these mobile stuff to download the mobile app. And after you download mobile app, so the next thing is to upload 3 to 6 sample image for them to see what you are going to be doing on the platform. So we will review your sample and let you know if you are accepted to either Getty Image or iStock or by Getty Image. So this is very simple. What you just need to do is to go to the website apply by downloading the mobile application. Send 3 to 6 sample images just for them to review your application, and the moment you do that, you are going to be accepted on the platform, so you can easily sell your pictures on this platform. So right here you see you must be at least 18 years of age. So all these are stuff that I'm very sure you have right now. So you have a smartphone which can always take pictures. Go to Google Play Store or Android iOS store, download the mobile app on your mobile phone, send a sample image, and your application is going to get reviewed. And after that, you get started when you are being approved, and after that you can start making money for yourself by selling some cool pictures on this platform. There's a lot you can do here. You can upload pictures, you can upload videos and all of that. So it's very cool way to start making money for yourself. All those pictures you have on your phone which are not making anything for you, probably it's for memories and all of that, but it's much more than that. You can make money with it. So if you're really good in taking pictures, or even you're photographers and you have some amazing pictures out there, so you can always upload it and start making money from it today. So another website you can make money on by selling your pictures online is called Adobe Stock. So just like you can see here, it says expand your creative career with stock, sell your content to the world's largest creative community. So with this you can always sell your pictures. So this platform is out there for anybody who really wants to be selling their pictures online, for people who need pictures to promote their products or all of that. So these people that buy your picture, they need it for a particular reason. Probably they want to do a banner, they want to promote the product, and they need a very nice picture, or they want to put it on their website or anything useful for them. They are going to pay for it, and when they pay for it, you get paid by Adobe, Stock Adobe as well too, by uploading your pictures on their platform. So you see right there, go where your work matters. Join Adobe as a leading creative brand that values artists and puts your need first. So all of this you can start making money. So it's simple: upload your pictures and sell your images online. So you can always trust all these platforms which I mentioned, because they are worldwide platform. On like this, Adobe is a very popular software company. So they are the one that do Adobe Photoshop and all of that. So this platform, you can be rest assured of your pictures and all of that. So your privacy and everything is so safe out there. So you can go ahead and sign up on this platform and start selling your pictures online. So it's very simple. Just click on the button below. So you can even earn 33 royalties when you sell your images on Adobe Stock. So that means somebody buys your picture, so you have a 33% royalty on the amount of money the person buy that particular pictures for you. So you really don't need to do much work. Your own is to just upload the pictures. So Adobe are the one that will promote the pictures online. So if anybody search for it, Adobe is going to make sure that your picture is out there for anybody to download, and they pay, and you get 33% royalties when you sell your pictures online. So it's very simple for you to start making money for yourself, even as a side hustle. So the last website I'm going to be showing you is called 500pixel.com. so as you can see here, it said discover and share the world best photos. So get inspired with incredible photos from diverse style and giants around the world. So we are not guide by fate, just great photography. So what you want to do basically on this platform is to sell your pictures on this platform. So just like you say, go as a photographer. So if you're a photographer, you are very good in taking pictures. So aside from you just taking picture for customer to use, so you can really take some cool abstract pictures online, some nature pictures, and upload it, post it on this platform, and start making money with it. So get immediate exposure with your first upload. So you can build your career by just uploading your pictures on this platform, and you get paid for every stuff you do here. So you can easily sell your work, one of the highest royalty rates in industry, where you distribute pictures through 500 pages to get a global marketplace where buyer can view and purchase your work for commercial usage. So basically what you want to do right now is to download the app. It's to work the same way just like Getty Image. You download the mobile app on your mobile phone, and you upload your sample images as well. When you upload the sample images, then they are going to get back to you reviewing your application, and after reviewing your application, when you are approved, you can easily now you can easily now go ahead and start selling your pictures online. So with all of this, you can actually make money for yourself. So in this video, I actually talk about 5 different websites which you can sell your pictures online. So the first one I talk about is Shutterstock, the other one is Alamy, the other one is Getty Image, the other fourth one is Stock Adobe, and the fifth one is 500 pixels. So another like a bonus for you, you can always, if you have a website of your own aside from all of this, so you can easily customize your, probably you have a website whereby you want to be where you want to be selling your pictures. So probably you upload your pictures online. So if anybody comes to your website, they have interest in getting your pictures or your videos, so they have to pay for it. And even the more people are coming to that your website, you can monetize your website and start making money from it. So it's very cool to selling your pictures online. So with the advance in technology these days, a lot of smartphone camera are very much good. So with all of these features on your phone, you can easily start making money with it, taking pretty cool pictures, videos, and all of that. So just come on this platform which I just mentioned right now and start selling the picture while making money for yourself. The total amount you can make on this platform can be emphasized, so because the more people are getting your images, the more money you are making. So it's unlimited. So if 1 million people is downloading your picture, so that means you're making making money million times on all those people that are selling your picture. So this is another side also for you to venture in. So you can easily start by registering on this platform which I just mentioned. I'm going to be dropping the link below this video as well. So guys, I hope you are going to try all of this to start making money for yourself. Even as a student out there, you can always start doing all of this and stay out of being broke and all of that. So with all of this, you can start making money for yourself. So if you find value in this video, I want you to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Click on this red subscribe button below and hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I drop another amazing video just like this. So guys, see you next in the next video. Thank you guys.